Hey, kid. Look, the tractor is building a house. Oh no! The wall has fallen down. The bricks don't seem to be fixed. How do you stick them together? Have an idea, little truck? Do you want to tape them together?
Yes. Okay.
No, that won't work. Should we try some cement?
Okay.
Then we need to build a concrete mixer. So, cars, get down to work. First, you need to find the chassis. Crane, can you see it? Here it is. Grab it, Crane. And what did you find there, Tractor? Oh, yes. It's the cab of the cement mixer. But how do we get it? Hey, Crane. Let's help the tractor.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Crane. Just a little bit more. And there's the cabin.
Oh, yeah.
But we are still lacking one very important detail. Do you know which one? Oh, it's the mixer itself. It mixes concrete. And here it is. Tractor and truck found it. Now, the mount for the mixer. And this is a funnel to pour the mixture. Great! Now, you need to prepare the cement mixture. Like this. Dry cement is poured into the funnel of the mixer. All we have to do is add some water. Well done, Tractor. Now wait for the cement to mix. Very good. Now, let's build that strong wall. Correct. You need to apply a layer of cement on the bricks. Oh, the excavator doused himself with cement, and it's not completely frozen. Cars, we need to release him. Great idea, Tractor. We need to break the cement. Hooray! The excavator is free again.
Wow.
You did great, Cars. You have built a concrete mixer and a strong wall. And the excavator has also learned that one needs to be careful with cement because you can turn into stone with it. Thanks again, everyone. See you very soon.